Like and subscribe right now, or this spider will crawl on your face while you're sleeping.
Sharks have been around for millions of years, and the ocean is home to some 375 different species. These apex predators occupy a crucial spot in the food chain, and although they are not natural predators to humans, people do sometimes cross their paths. In truth, only about 10 species are potentially dangerous to humans, and we must emphasize that sharks do not hunt humans or seek them out as prey. Unprovoked shark attacks are extremely rare. With that said, here's our list of the world's top 10 sharks that can be potentially deadly for swimmers, divers, and fishermen. Number 10. The Dusky shark. The Dusky shark is a lesser known large shark living in coastal waters worldwide. This shark can grow to a length of 14 feet or 4.2 meters and weigh up to 775 pounds or 350 kilograms. Dusky sharks prefer warm, temperate waters and normally live at a depth of 1,300 feet or 400 meters. They are characterized by having a slender body and a rounded snout. Dusky sharks have triangular-shaped teeth and have one of the strongest bites in the world. They are apex predators who feed on fish, octopi, rays, sea turtles, crustaceans, and whale carcasses. Dusky sharks are not aggressive, but they will attack humans in self-defense or when they are provoked. According to data from the International Shark Attack File, this shark is responsible for 6 attacks on humans, with one of them being fatal. Number 9. The Copper shark. The copper shark is also known as a bronze whaler. They normally live in temperate waters and are usually seen in groups. This species can also be found in river estuaries, shallow bays and harbors, and offshore waters up to around 325 feet or 100 meters deep. These fast-swimming predators feed mostly on bony fishes and are known to hunt in groups, utilizing their numbers to their advantage. Copper sharks can grow up to 13 feet or 4 meters in length and live up to 30 years. Though large and powerful, the copper shark is not particularly aggressive towards humans unless in the presence of food. Copper sharks are known to harass and attack spearfishermen in an attempt to steal catches. Copper sharks have also bitten several swimmers in Australia and New Zealand, where the species is common. Statistics show that this shark has attacked humans 36 times, resulting in 3 fatalities. Number 8. The Oceanic blacktip shark. The Oceanic blacktip shark is common in temperate, tropical, and subtropical waters worldwide. These sharks have a streamlined body of about 7 feet or 2 meters long, and their distinguishing feature is black tips or edges on their fins. The blacktip shark is often seen above the surface as it makes spinning leaps out of the water while attacking schools of fish. This shark is an extremely fast and energetic predator and is usually found in groups of all sizes. Under most circumstances, these timid sharks are not regarded as highly dangerous to humans, but curiosity towards divers has been reported. However, they may become aggressive in the presence of food. The International Shark Attack File lists 20 unprovoked attacks and 13 provoked attacks by this species, and 1 fatality. Blacktip sharks like shallower water and are responsible for 16% of the shark attacks around Florida. Most attacks of this species result in only minor wounds. Number 7. The sand tiger shark. The sand tiger shark, also known as the grey nurse shark, is a slow-moving coastal predator that has light brown skin and resembles sand, which helps this shark blend into its surroundings when seen from above. This species of shark lives worldwide near the seafloor in surf zones, shallow bays, and coral reefs. They are large species and can grow up to 10.5 feet or 3.2 meters. They feed on a variety of fish, other sharks, squid, and crustaceans. The sand tiger shark is often thought to be vicious due to its large size and protruding teeth that point outwards from its jaws, but in reality there have only been a few instances of unprovoked sand tiger shark attacks on humans, usually associated with spearfishing, line fishing, and shark feeding. The International Shark Attack File lists 77 attacks by sand tigers, with only 1 of them being fatal. Number 6. The Shortfin mako shark. The shortfin mako is a powerful predator that lives in tropical and temperate oceans and is unfortunately targeted for its meat and fins. This shark can reach lengths of up to 12 feet or 3.8 meters and weigh up to 1,200 pounds or 545 kilograms. The shortfin mako is the fastest shark and one of the fastest fishes on the planet, capable of reaching speeds of 45 miles per hour or 72 kilometers per hour. They are also known for their incredible leaping ability and can be seen jumping to extreme heights out of the water when hunting. The mako is regularly blamed for attacks on humans and due to its size, power and speed is capable of killing humans. Divers who have encountered shortfin makos note prior to an attack that they swim in a figure 8 pattern with their mouths open. This shark has been responsible for 33 unprovoked attacks on humans, resulting in 2 deaths. Number 5. The Oceanic whitetip shark. The Oceanic whitetip shark is found throughout the world in tropical and subtropical waters. These sharks typically remain offshore and are found in water depths of more than 600 feet or 180 meters. Solitary and slow moving, they prefer the upper layers of the deep waters. Oceanic whitetips grow quite large, with some individuals reaching 14 feet or 3.2 meters. The oceanic whitetip is considered potentially dangerous to humans and is often the first species to appear in waters surrounding mid-ocean disasters. The sinking of the USS Indianapolis in 1945 by a Japanese submarine resulted in 900 men ending up in the water. What was to follow is now infamous as the worst shark attack in human history. After a feeding frenzy, only 317 men survived. During encounters with divers, oceanic whitetips show little fear and are often quite persistent in swimming circles around them. Divers can and do swim with this shark frequently, but oceanic whitetips should be treated with extreme caution. Number 4. The blue shark. The blue shark gets its name from the color of its skin, unique among sharks. They live worldwide from the tropics to cold temperate waters and spend most of their time far from the coast. The blue shark has one of the largest ranges in terms of depth of water, and they live all the way from the surface to the depths. Blue sharks are highly migratory, with individuals making several trips across entire oceans throughout their lifetime. These sharks are generally 10 feet or 3 meters long and are known to be fast swimmers, reaching speeds of up to 43 miles or 70 kilometers per hour. Although blue sharks are not usually aggressive, they are curious animals known to approach divers, especially spear fishermen when food is involved. Blue sharks rarely bite humans, and there have only been 13 biting incidents recorded, with 4 of them being fatal. Number 3. The bull shark. Bull sharks are the most dangerous sharks to humans according to many experts. This is because they are an aggressive species and they tend to hunt in waters where people often swim, along tropical shorelines. This highly predatory species can move easily from saltwater to freshwater as well, particularly large coastal rivers and lakes. Bull sharks move upriver to give birth and stay there for long periods of time. They are large sharks that can reach up to 11 feet or 3.5 meters in length and can weigh 700 pounds or 315 kilograms. This shark species is famous for the Jersey Shore attacks of 1916, which were the inspiration for Peter Benchley's novel Jaws. Bull sharks occasionally attack swimmers, with most incidents happening close to river estuaries or in rivers themselves. According to statistics, bull sharks have been responsible for 139 attacks on humans, with 39 fatalities. Number 2. The tiger shark. The tiger shark's name comes from the dark stripes across its body that resemble tiger stripes. This species lives all over the world in temperate and tropical waters, in the open ocean and shallow waters. These efficient predators can reach lengths of 18 feet or 5.5 meters and weigh as much as 2,000 pounds or a ton. Tiger sharks are famous for eating just about anything they can find, scavenging on dead animals and garbage. Tiger sharks are thought to be responsible for a large share of fatal shark bite incidents. They often visit shallow reefs, harbors, and canals, creating the potential for encounters with humans. Typically, 3 or 4 tiger shark bites occur per year in Hawaii, but they are rarely fatal. According to statistics, this shark is responsible for 139 attacks on humans, with 31 of them being fatal. Number 1. The great white shark. This large and powerful predator plays an important role at the top of the marine food chain. Despite its fame and reputation, little is known about the great white's biology and behavior. In fact, great white sharks are decreasing quite noticeably in numbers and are rare due to years of being hunted by people for their fins and teeth, or as a trophy for sport fishing. The great white is a formidable hunter and can grow as long as 20 feet or 6 meters. Of all the shark species, the great white is responsible for the largest number of recorded shark bite incidents on humans. There are a lot of theories as to why great whites attack humans, but the fact of the matter is we are not their preferred prey, and after a bite they normally release. Unfortunately, the bite that a great white delivers is typically so colossal that death usually occurs by bleeding out. This is the deadliest shark with 431 unprovoked attacks on humans so far, resulting in 80 fatalities. Sharks are an essential part of the marine food chain, and we must remember that when we enter the oceans, we do so at our own risk. We are on their turf. Sharks will not normally attack people, but it is also important not to provoke them. Do not try to touch them or harass them in any way should you see one on a dive. Which of these sharks have you seen underwater? If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell for updates on our latest marine videos and stay curious.